How to change language on HBO MAX.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And in the search bar, search for hbomax.com. It will land you on the official page of HBO Max. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and the option of Display Language will be available to you. Right beside Display Language, the option of Change Language will also be available to you. Simply click on it. It will land you on this page. In this page, it will show you all the list of the language that is available on HBO Max. Only 3 languages are available. Simply click on the language that you want to change. Once you click on it, tap on OK. Once you tap on OK, the language will be successfully changed and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your language on HBO Max. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.